Welcome back, guys. Excited to be carrying y'all along with some of our favorite memories from this past year. We wait all summer long, lose a lot of sleep just to be able to get back in the truck and point it north to Canada. And wouldn't you know it, we make the trip all the way up there and it starts raining. I've been going up there for about 10 years now, and the problem is that you never know what you're going to face, but rain wasn't in our bingo card. Kind fellow there. Not only did he give us permission to that, he said we can hunt anything that has his name on it, and he gave me everything that he farms over there and started dropping pins. He said if they're anywhere close there, just have at it. So what's going on here is that we came all the way and it rained all morning. Never dealt with that. We looked and looked and looked, found a few using one field. Couldn't get a hold of the guy. Ended up, I tried calling him 4 or 5 times. I didn't want to bug him. Looped back around to his house. He'd just gotten back from the airport in Saskatoon, so we got extremely lucky there. Gives us permission to the field. Then he says, wait a minute, I've got some more stuff here. Why don't you look at this? And we roll up to this field and it's a damn gold mine. It's so bad.
Game 1. Hoping for a victory.
Hey, right out front, right out front. Woo! Now be ready, right here, right here. Y'all get ready, right here, right here, right here. Last bunch of the day. They quit us pretty early, but ain't nothing wrong with it. We're fixing to regroup. We saw a ton of ducks. This ain't even where we wanted to be. We couldn't get a hold of the guy late last night, but we got permission to this one right here, so it's our next best thing. We did good. We killed like 30 ducks and 10 geese, but we ain't no goose hunters by any means. So. During our first morning's hunt, we were having a hell of a time, but we were only getting about 1 to every 3 or 4 bunches, and we just noticed that it was just an influx of ducks and geese going to this one field in particular. Checked our phones, same dude owns it, shot him a text, bam, we're back in the game for day 2. Kill him. Oh, yeah. Right here, right here. Yeah! Come on, baby! Weatherman called for wintry mix in the big north. No wintry mix, but a pile of mallards right out of the gate. Carry into. Kill him, fellas. Woo! Around down here on the rock side.
5 more.
Kill them, boys.
Oh yeah. Get down. Get down.
I know. Y'all get ready.
Get ready.
Left.
It's gonna be right here on this path, Blake.
Go. All right, fellas, go ahead. Me. 1, 2, 3. Four. You know, when you crank your trucks headed to Canada, you have no idea what's in front of you. We were blessed with 2 dandies right out of the gate to kick the trip off. We're nasty, muddy, head home, take a shower, clean up. Everybody's looking around, where's Joey? Where do you think? He's in the other cabin cooking.
Little duck, fajita, quesadilla, maybe kind of thing is what I'd call it. Little tahini. Some good stuff there. Very good.
As we're finishing up supper, Russ looks at his phone. Look, coming here, boys, another weather change. And I hate to tell y'all, if y'all thought this was some good stuff, just wait on it.